I'm Chase, by the way.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, I'll get to working on it. We got something different today. We got a key make. It is a 2007 Nissan Sentra. We're going to find a Nissan chip key, which I think this is it right here. We're going to laser cut it, and then we're going to program it. 820. Up to the second line. Now we have our chip key cut to the correct code. I think we're getting somewhere. Let's see if it turns the door. It does.
Yay.
Now we're just gonna stick in the ignition and begin the programming. No problem. Should blink 5 times, and it's blinking, and now it's out. Okay. We should be good. Let's start her up.
What the total is?
Oh, it's 240.
240?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry about that.
You're totally fine.
Here you are.
Thank you so
Yeah, of
much.
course.
You have a
Thank
great
you
day.
as well.